Ever heard of Casey did it up close? So all of them make this noise at the same time. Uh-oh. He mad. He can't get over. Listen to that joint. Somebody who will remain unnamed just burned him. He's mad now. He stopped making a noise once he turned over. Look at that. So they must be agitated when they make that noise up in the trees. But when it rain on you, you get quiet. Grill talk. We about to get these lobsters, crab legs going. We got another order this week.